right, Model A time. 1931 Ford Model A Tudor sedan. Nice looking Model A. We hear this all the time from people that come into our store and look around, and they always ask, the Model A's and the Model T's, they still selling, people still buying them, and they don't assume that they're good sellers. But guess what, folks? We still sell quite a few of these Model A's, especially when they're nice shape, they're nice runners and drivers, like this one is. I'd call paint kind of top of the echelon driver quality, I'd have to say. This is an all steel body also. So steel fenders, steel body, hood components, all steel in this sweetheart. As you can see, kind of a two-tone green color. And then they brought out the highlight, this pinstripe. You can see it here, kind of the brighter green pinstripe in the wheels. So yeah, nice looking car, black fenders. Now, of course, this would be powered by the L-head inline four cylinders, a 201 cubic inch engine. 30 and 31, you could get the headlight buckets in stainless is one of the things you could do. This one has the rock guard in front of the radiator. Chrome, nice shape on this as far as the front bumper and everything. Again, nice car. You could show this, you can drive it. It runs beautifully. We're gonna get around to the driver's side, start this up, let you hear it run, check out that engine compartment. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the undersides, the interior, the engine compartment, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Doors and everything, nice fitting. Top is also in very nice shape. And you can see that in all the pictures. There's probably a good 60-70 pictures of this car online. Kind of the split seats. This passenger one will fold forward to make it easier to get into the rear. You can see pictures of that on our website. 3-speed manual transmission with the shifter on the floor. Of course, the Model A went away from the pedals like the Model T had, and it actually is kind of the first car that's known with the common brake, clutch, and gas pedal layout. This would be an electric start car, 6-volt system. Rear mounted spare tire. And again, you can see on this driver's side how nice the paint is also. Nice luster to it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. Any questions on any of that stuff, when you call in, just consult with your sales associate when you email or call. As you can see, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You might find a few little tiny imperfections, if you can see that. I notice there's one little one by the door here, one where it's been touched up, but overall, very nice condition Model A. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to start this up. Now, this would have the usual gas shutoff underneath the passenger side here. That is on. I do have the gas on. Ready to give it a turn over and hit the key. See how easily that starts. Of course, you got throttle here if we wanted to idle it up just a little bit, bring that down. Amp meter does work. Make sure we're in neutral here. It appears the float for the gas is also working there. And that was their dash in the day. Of course, this was your choke and air to fuel ratio. I'm inside, so I didn't need to choke it or turn anything there. It's set to start and go. As you can see, the seat, cloth, everything in nice shape, not full of rips, tears, much wear. Same with the door cards, and watch how nicely that closes. Very nice, tight fitting door. Sounds like a good old Model A door, nice latching system. Car doors don't quite sound like that these days. Listen to how that purrs. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Take me a couple hands to get these hoods open. I want to show you this engine bay. All right. got both sides open here, and lots of times I've done videos of these and you'll see the hood shake when the engine's running and everything else. Look at how smooth this is. This does have the, I guess, splash guards or what have you down there. Last time you see Zay's missing those. Look at that. That is smooth. If you didn't hear it, you wouldn't think it was running. We're on to the driver's side here. Wow. There you go. You're looking for a nice running 1931 Model A Tudor sedan. Here you go. I forgot to mention too, there has been recent brake work done to this too, so that is going to help you out stopping when you take this thing out for a drive, and don't be afraid to do that. This one's ready to go. 1931 Model A Tudor sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.